Staying overseas, where a jury in the United Kingdom has found two men guilty of stabbing a black teenager more than 18 years ago.
Gary Dobson and David Norris killed Stephen Lawrence as he waited for a bus in 1993 in a racist attack that shocked Britain. Europe correspondent Philip Williams reports.
The killers, Gary Dobson and David Norris, are now in their 30s, but were just 16 and 17 at the time of the murder. And after a bungled investigation and accusations of police racism, it seemed they'd got away with it. Their victim, Stephen Lawrence, was 18, in the wrong place at the wrong time, attacked as he waited for a bus, stabbed and left for dead. The first trial failed, despite covert police video taken in Dobson's flat, where the suspect's racist attitudes were all too clear. For years, Stephen Lawrence's family campaigned for justice, attracting support from home and abroad, including Nelson Mandela. But even after a failed civil case and a government-ordered inquiry which called 5 suspects, there were still no prosecutions. The breakthrough came with improved forensic techniques after a cold case review. Evidence of fibres, hair and traces of Stephen Lawrence's blood were found on the suspect's clothing.
How can I celebrate when I know that this day could have come 18 years ago if the police, who were meant to find my son killers, felt so miserable to do so?
Her son's murder was a turning point. Police say the long wait for justice is a matter of huge regret.
We pay tribute to Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence's courage and dignity. They have contributed to major changes within policing, the law, and indeed within society as a whole.
After 18 years, finally one of Britain's most controversial murder cases has got resolution, and the family of Stephen Lawrence now have the result they've been waiting nearly 2 decades for. Philip Williams, ABC News at the Old Bailey in London.